This is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and today I'm going to show you how to change a temperature switch in a Valenta roaster. And this process will be the same for all Valenta roasters and also all artisan roasters. So the control panel might be in a different place on your artisan roaster, but it's basically the same process when you get inside. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is a Valenta 8 roaster, and all of the Valenta series roasters come with this little bracket to help you hold the control panel so you can work on it. Before you start the process, make sure that you have the power to your roaster off, unplugged preferably, and turn off the breaker because some of the back of these wires are hot. So before we do anything, let's note the orientation of the wires. So the two wires on the outside, and it does matter whether the red wire is our positive wire that goes to the outside, and the negative is on the inside in this color configuration. And then as we go across here, we have our yellow, blue, and the two grays. The two grays could actually be reversed and it would still work fine, but we'll go ahead and put them in the orientation. Also, make sure that you have a very small tipped flathead screwdriver. And if you look in this, can you get in the front here, Bryce, and look in there, you see these screws are really small. But the nice thing is, once you get your controller, you can see them. They're right in front of you. So I'm going to go ahead and take these loose. There we go. Back that off a little bit. They're a little bit difficult to see sometimes, and the screwdriver has to be just right so you can get them out. There we go. So got the two thermocouple wires loose. One of the power wires. Got the blue one. Okay, every one of these wires you'll find is numbered. It is temp control. This one's temp control 9. And the way this works is terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 4 terminals here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are the ones that we use. To get the controller out, there's a keeper on the back side here. You pull out these little ears and that comes off. And then the temperature controller comes out. Now this temperature controller is programmed for this machine, and this is a new machine, so I'm going to put it back in. But that's what you're going to look like. We're going to make sure that we get the writing towards the top. We're going to put that back in. You know it's right when we have the two thermocouple wires over there. I'm going to put the keeper on. Pull those tabs out. It goes down the little slots there. They're secured. And then we're going to go back and just reconnect the wires in the order that we took them out. We've got our two thermocouple wires. Give them a nice tug. They're in tight. Put in wire number 7. Back that off a little bit. Go. This one's on terminal 8. There's 9. And the last wire is 10. All right. Made sure that our clip is tight. And that's it. If you're putting in a new controller, there's a sequence to reprogram it. And there are instructions with the controller. But what I found that's worked over the years, just call me on the phone, call somebody here, and we can walk you through it in about 60 seconds. It's a lot easier than trying to decipher the instructions. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.